severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wicomico County and southeastern Maryland, central Dorchester County and southeastern Maryland until 5:30 p.m. For 51 weeks, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles north of Deal Island or 15 miles south of Cambridge, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage increase in power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Vienna around 5 p.m. Sharptown around 5:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Galestown, with the Queen, Brookview, Eldorado, Andrews, Royal Oak, Cochrane, Wingate, Morelos Springs, and Elliott. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for southeastern Maryland. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland: Dorchester and Wicomico,